कल की तरह आज भी शाम आएगी, सारे दर्द अपने साथ ले जाएंगे। खुद पर रख तू भरोसा, एक बार फिर तेरे चेहरे पर मुस्कान आएगी। हेलो एवरीवन, एज यू ऑल नो आई एम योर सेजल विजय एंड आज इस वीडियो में हम पोएट्री नहीं करेंगे। आज हम पिछले एक साल के बारे में कुछ बातें करेंगे। अगर किसी को पता ना हो तो मैं बता देना चाहती हूँ कि कल मतलब आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियो ऑन 16th of April एंड कल 17th of April जिस दिन ये वीडियो अपलोड हो रहा है दैट इज़ आज, अगर कल के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बोले तो आई एम completing 1 year of my page and this video is for everyone who have supported me, who have stood by me in each and every part which I took forward. Okay, so 17th of April, मतलब I never planned कि क्या होगा इस पेज में, और without giving a thought आई स्टार्टेड दिस पेज ये सोच के कि चलो यार लॉकडाउन है और अब तो घर पे रहना है तो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा में कुछ हो जाएगा ऐसे ही फॉर फन। बट आई नेवर एवर आई नेवर थॉट कि इतना आगे मैं आऊँगी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे और इतना सब कुछ हो जाएगा विद इन ब्लिंक ऑफ मिनट्स। सो क्योंकि पोएट्री ही है जो सब कुछ है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो विद अ पोएम विच आई रोट जस्ट अ ईयर अगो एंड अपलोडेड इट ऑन माई पेज। सो द पोएट्री विच आई रोट वॉज कभी रुकना मत। दिस पोएट्री I wrote for everyone who have been broke down, who are disgraced, and the people who needs upliftment, who needs encouragement in their life. But I never knew that one day this poem will act as an inspiration for me. So this poem is Rukna Mat and I will be reciting a few lines. So here it is. अंधेरे में चलते वक्त रोशनी की खोज में परछाइयों से डर के लड़खड़ाना ज़रूर, मगर कभी गिरना मत, तुम कभी रुकना मत। सो एज द पोएम सेज, तुम कभी रुकना मत। येस, आई वोंट स्टॉप एवर। एक्चुअली एक video I was going to upload, I was going to shoot for it. The video was actually April is known as Poetry Month for the people who don't know about it. So I was going, actually I wrote a poem which is named as Why Do I Write Actually. So I was going to shoot a video for this poem and upload it on 17th itself. But what happened that I am not well since a week, so as you all can see what I have done to my voice, so I am not well and that is why I am not able to shoot a video and upload it on my channel. And also I will be having my exam soon, so that is why I am also a bit busy. So never mind, I'll come back soon with a blast as I always do. सो शुरू करते हैं फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट स्टेप विच आई टुक। 17th of April, इतना बड़ा दिन हो जाएगा मेरे लिए, आई नेवर थॉट। मतलब आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस डे, टू सेलिब्रेट दिस डे as if I am having my own birthday. This is my own first birthday which I am going to celebrate tomorrow. So the first I created the page, then पता नहीं क्या दिमाग में आया कि I also created a website for myself खैर कि I don't use that website often nowadays because I don't get time to write content for it and upload it regularly. उस टाइम पे I used to be free a lot, so that is why I got time to upload it, to write contents for it. So that is why I kept on uploading it then, but now I don't get time. But for all of you who haven't visited my website yet, please go and give it a look, read my content. If you like it, do comment. So the first poem which I uploaded on my website was Stri Ka Bahishkar, which was I mean, the people who follow me, they know that how much I am very much addicted to writing contents on all these empowerment things and on social topics. These topics touch me a lot and inspire me a lot to write about them. In fact, when it comes to writing on topics which are based on love and other topics which usually people write about, I don't know, I don't feel like writing on them. Apart, I have written a lot of poems on love and all that, but these things does not मतलब दिल को नहीं छूते ये सारे पोएम. और इन सबको लिखने के लिए ना बहुत ज़्यादा, मेरे हिसाब से कुछ ज़्यादा ही डेप्थ में, किसी भी पोइट्री को लिखने के लिए, किसी भी स्टोरी को लिखने के लिए उस चीज़ की बहुत डेप्थ में जाना ज़रूरी है, बट मेरे से हो नहीं पाता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई प्रेफर नॉट टू राइट अबाउट लव, दो आई राइट अबाउट देम, बट आई डोंट राइट मच. तो स्त्री का बहिष्कार वॉज वन. देन इट वॉज कॉफ़ी शॉप की कहानी. दिस वॉज अनदर वन पोएम विच वॉज लाइक्ड बाई many of the people. I got many feedbacks about this. Then next was Tum Aag Mein Pani. This was also a love poem, not a poem exactly, it was a poem story sort of thing. So this was another one which attracted a lot of people. A lot of people commented on it, a lot of people liked it. Then I had the most kind of dream come true moment of my life, which I had writing this poem. So कुछ story I would like to share कि कैसे ये सब कुछ हुआ. First of all, I am very grateful to Purva. Thank you so much. अगर तू मेरे को उस दिन वो पोस्टर शेयर नहीं की होती, then I would haven't come this far. So thank you so much, Purva, for sharing that poster of Pen Boys, which was because of which I climbed the first step of coming this far. So the poster said that there is a poetry competition and we have to write a poetry on menstrual health, hygiene. So I never ever tried this, but I thought of giving it a try. So I wrote my first poem, I Got Wings. So the poetry was, why so serious, oh honey, it's just periods. So this was a kind of poem which I wrote it in a go, in just one go. And this poem was very different, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग था दूसरे पोइट्री से, क्योंकि आई यूजुअली डू पोइट्री इन हिंदी एंड दिस पोएम वाज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. सो दिस वाज समथिंग डिफरेंट. ऑल्दो आई didn't won the position in this competition, but this poem made a very good impact on everyone. All those people who have watched this poem, everyone appreciated me a lot, and thank you so much once again to everyone who supported me back then. So this was the one, I Got Wings. So what happened कि after I wrote this poem, I sent this poem to the person in charge, whatever, wherever I have to send this. तो क्या हुआ कि the results came out and I saw कि यार I have not secured a position. ठीक है, पोजीशन नहीं मिला, मे बी कुछ तो ऐसा होगा जो मतलब मेरे में नहीं है और जो विनर्स है उनके अंदर था. ओके, आई वॉज डिस्ग्रेस्ड वंस अगेन, इनफैक्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो ज़्यादा महीने नहीं हुए थे. आई स्टार्टेड द पेज इन अप्रैल एंड आई रोट दिस पोएम इन अगस्त. सो अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, 5 months. Within 5 months I wrote this poem, but I didn't got much name and fame till then. So I went to everyone. I went to my friends, my mother, my father, saying कि यार अब नहीं होगा, पेज बंद कर देते हैं, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, ना फॉलोअर बढ़ रहे. फॉलोअर नहीं बढ़ने का रोना तो मेरा शुरू से रहा है. फॉलोअर नहीं बढ़ रहे, फॉलोअर नहीं बढ़ रहे, फॉलोअर नहीं बढ़ रहे. बस यही प्रॉब्लम है जो बहुत टाइम तक आई हैव फेस्ड, बट फाइनली आई हैव ओवरकम इट. क्योंकि जो फीडबैक मेरे को मिलते आ रहा है अभी तक, थिंग्स हैव प्रूव्ड दैट certain number of followers and certain number of likes doesn't matter. What matters is how much impact my poetries and my stories are laying on the other person, no matter that person is following me or not, that person is liking my content or not. Liking in the sense that literal like, which we put a heart over there below the what we call posts. Okay, so I didn't secure a position in this so-called competition. Then what happened? Okay, the Pen Voice people, they texted me saying कि सेजल मैम, हमारे सर को आपकी पोइट्री बहुत पसंद आई है, सो वी वुड लाइक टू हैव यू ऑन अ टॉक शो. एंड आई वॉज लाइक कि पूरी ही दुनिया एक सेकेंड के लिए इधर से उधर हो गई. मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना ही नहीं था. मतलब I never thought that these things will come across my life one day. I mean, I was so happy. I was so happy that people have asked me for my interview. Talk show is a kind of interview itself. So this happened on 1st of August. I was called for a talk show on 1st of August by Pen Voice, and after the talk show I thought, okay, fine, this is the first step of my success probably, and things will go on. I was really very happy, and that was a very fun session. I met Avinash sir, which is still there in my what do we call, in my professional life. He has always been supporting me and rooting for me, and I am very grateful to him for being there for me. And whenever it comes to me, whenever he listens to my name, then he will say सेजल की तो पोइट्री सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि 4-5 लोग को मार पीट करके ये वापस आएगी. That is very sweet of him. The talk show ended. Then on 24th August, these Pen Voice people, they appointed me as the youth ambassador of Pen Voice of Ranchi. And again it was like, क्या हो रहा है मेरे लाइफ के साथ में. आई वॉज सो हैप्पी एंड आई एम स्टिल सो हैप्पी दैट what I was and what I am now, my life has completely changed a lot. I mean, things are hard to believe कि जो Sejal was nothing, that Sejal has come this far. I mean, from the minus, I have grown a lot, a lot. Not only in my success, but also things have changed. Things have made me mature enough to understand the situation, to handle the situation, uh, to overcome my fears, to fight. And whenever I turn back and reflect on what I was, then I feel really proud of myself कि क्या थी सेजल and क्या हो गई है सेजल. Sejal have always been a very fun-loving or very playful girl. हर चीज़ में आगे रहने का ज़रूर मेरा शौक़ था शुरू से, और कुछ ना कुछ करने का भी बहुत मन था. तो in this, social media has played a very vital role, a very important role in bringing me here. क्योंकि social media नहीं होता तो कौन ही जानता कि सेजल कौन है कौन नहीं है. जहाँ तक यूट्यूब चैनल की बात है, आई स्टार्टेड माई यूट्यूब चैनल बैक इन 2017. सो yes, probably 3 or 4 years back. So I don't celebrate YouTube anniversaries because I don't have I mean, I never kept an record of because I started my channel very unofficially. I was a child back then, but who thought that once a girl who wrote a poem in class 7 would come this far. People know me, people respect me. I get text messages saying कि Sejal ma'am, you are my inspiration. And the moment which I face these things, people complimenting, people whenever people meet me, my own relatives or some stranger also, when they meet me and they call me out like, Sejal, you do poetry, right? Those moments are the most dream come true moments for me. I feel so obliged and so proud of myself that I cannot explain the feeling, the happiness which I face inside me. Then moving on, I wrote one more poem which was again a blast, a very big blast. The poem was Mera India Hai, and people appreciated me like anything. They said, Sejal, your expression was fire, and all those things really touched my heart. Mera India Hai is the poem. क्या करे साहब इंडिया है, हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है. So this poem was the one. Then again I wrote No Means No, which was kind of not a poetry, but it was on the social issues, kind of an article where I just jotted down the points on what all things are happening in our societies against the girls. So that was it. Then moving on, then on 25th of August I had my first live performance, because it is still the COVID time. So I performed online the first live performance where I performed Coffee Shop Ki Kahani. Then one more write-up which I wrote was Sacrifices of a Girl. This content also was liked by many of people. Then I uploaded a reel named as Veshi, and I wrote a poem on there was a case, the Hathras case, if you all remember. तो हुआ क्या था कि I was asked by Avinash sir to write a poetry on the Hathras case, because the case was very heated up and everyone was saying that it is a rape case. So I just went with the flow. I wrote it down, but after I wrote it down, after I shot the video, in fact I also uploaded that video on the YouTube, I read the news that this is the case of owner killing, not a rape case. So I thought that this topic can be a controversial topic, so that is why I just went and deleted the video. So a clip of that video, I uploaded it as a reel, not mentioning the places or the incident. So I just uploaded thinking कि चलो मेहनत तो बेकार नहीं जाएगी मेरी if I'm not uploading the YouTube video. So let's upload a reel in which neither the place is mentioned nor the situation is mentioned. So I just uploaded the reel. I uploaded, then I got back to my studying and all. After a while, when I saw the notification on my phone, it showed that your reel has more than 1k views, and I was like, what? Seriously? I mean, k is a thing which I can only see it in my dreams till now. But that was like पैरों तले ज़मीन ही खिसक गई है वाला मोमेंट कि my reel has reached this many of views. Then I organized along with Pen Voice ख्वाबों के परिंदे, which was an online poetry and singing event. Though small, but we enjoyed a lot. And again, thank you very much to everyone who took part in it and Then I wrote a poetry which was Vaishya, a poetry about prostitutes. It was also liked by many. A few people also came and said that prostitution is this and that and all that. Matlab, I wrote it on my basis what I feel, but obviously people will say a lot of things. Two people cannot meet at the same point every time. So that also was that was a good response poetry, but still people criticized a bit, but not that much. Okay, chalta hai. Then in the October, it was the month of October, and October is known as the breast cancer month. So I wrote a piece on it. वो भी मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा, that was also a very 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 good one which gave me response. Then again I wrote one content on International Men's Day. Then I joined Mukti Mission, assisting Rashmi ma'am, which is the president of Women's Council Jharkhand. I got to know her, I interacted with her. She works for menstrual health and hygiene. Mukti Mission is her NGO. So I assisted her. I went with her. Actually, she organized a blood donation camp. So first meetup of mine with her was on that day. Then on 19th of January, which is known as the period day. So that day the foundation of Mukti Mission took place 3 years ago. So that day Rashmi ma'am invited me for the first session in a village of menstrual health and hygiene. So I went there with her. I got to learn a lot of things, and she is a very Rashmi ma'am is the sweetest person I have ever met. She is very loving. She is really, she is the warmest person. Even though I don't know her from a long time, but she has been like an elder sister to me, and she has always encouraged me. So thank you, Rashmi ma'am, to you too. On 2nd of March, I had a small kind of what do we call? on 2nd of March, I announced a small moment kind of thing for the ladies, for the women who have struggled and achieved something in their life, and a lot of ladies, a lot of women, a lot of lovely ladies took part in it and supported me in that too. On 8th of March, it was Women's Day, International Women's Day, and that day again a blast video, a blast poetry named as Kalyug Ki Woman. I released it on my YouTube channel. On 7th of March, a day before Women's Day, I announced my own NGO. Which I have named it as Ummeed. I still work for menstrual health and hygiene, going to villages and spreading awareness about it. Ummeed started on 8th of March, and we did our first session at a village on 2nd of April in Ranchi. On 14th of March, I was invited for reciting a poetry again on period. So that was also a very warm feeling for me. I was invited by Hi-Fi and Pen Voice. They organized this open mic program, and Avinash sir especially recommended my name for this. Again, in between this year, I also started a rape case movement where I, along with my friend Purva, we both used to actually we started a movement जिसमें people used to send us the rape stories, the rape cases of the people they know, and we used to bring forward the people and make everyone aware कि अच्छा हाँ ऐसा भी होता है, क्योंकि people should know. किसी को भी rape is a thing जिसमें मतलब almost everyone is touched with this topic. मतलब समझ में नहीं आता है मेरे को कि लोग के अंदर इतनी हिम्मत कैसे आ जाती है कि वो लोग इतने गंदे नज़र से और इतने बुरे तरीके से किसी के भी साथ इतने ख़राब तरीके से कैसे पेश आ सकते हैं. तो आई थॉट कि कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए, तो छोटे ही पैमाने पर सही, बट आई डिड इट. सो दैट इज़ ऑल अभी तक के लिए. आई हैव कम अ लॉन्ग वे थ्रू. बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच each and everyone who have supported me till now and are always there for me, especially my parents, my friends, my followers. आप लोग मतलब you all are like my family. जितने भी फॉलोअर हैं, आई थिंक 107 है, आई चेक दिस मॉर्निंग. तो 107 लोग, आई मीन come to think of it, spreading awareness, people liking my poetries. अगर 107 लोगों के बीच भी मेरी आवाज़ पहुंच रही है तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड 107 107 इज़ नॉट अ लेस क्वांटिटी. तो अगर उन लोगों तक भी मेरी आवाज़ पहुंच रही है, मेरी बात पहुंच रही है, तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. भले माई फैमिली इज़ नॉट टू बिग, बट आई होप, आई एम स्टिल होपिंग, एंड मेरे को खुद में पूरा भरोसा है कि एक ना एक दिन वो 107 से बहुत आगे जाएगा. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू कीप ऑन सपोर्टिंग मी द वे यू ऑल आर सपोर्टिंग मी टिल नाउ, especially my friends. A special mention for them. These people, no matter what, मतलब whenever I go to them कि यार ये प्रॉब्लम है, यार वो प्रॉब्लम है, छोड़ना, टेंशन मत ले, हो जाएगा, चिल मार, अरे हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत ले, चिल मार। मतलब इतना ज़्यादा एनकरेजमेंट दे हैव गिवन मी, आई मीन आई एम स्पीचलेस। लाइक thank you so much, thank you, thank you, thank you a lot for coming till here with me. Thank you a lot. And that is it. Stay there for me, be constant, keep loving me, keep supporting me, keep walking along with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being there. Love you all and bye bye, see you soon again next year में फिर कुछ ऐसी हम लोग बात करेंगे, मे बी कभी और लाइव आएंगे। सो इफ़ यू ऑल वांट कि मैं लाइव आऊँ, आप लोगों से बातें करूँ जैसे हमने वुमेंस डे के दिन किया था, तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो, आई विल डिसाइड अ टाइम एंड देन लेट यू ऑल नो। एंड अ स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट इज़ कि मेरी जो संस्था है उम्मीद, सो आई टेक डोनेशंस फॉर मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन। तो इधर आप लोग सैनिटरी पैड्स डोनेट कर सकते हो, या आप लोग सैनिटरी पैड के लिए पैसे डोनेट कर सकते हो, आप लोग कितना भी अमाउंट कर सकते हो। लुक, वन सैनिटरी पैड कॉस्ट मी 22 रुपीज़। सो आप लोग 22 रुपीज़ से लेकर के जितना अमाउंट आप लोग चाहो, आप लोग उतना अमाउंट मेरे को डोनेट कर सकते हो, एंड आई विल go and distribute sanitary napkins to the people who are really in need of them, who are not aware about what is menstrual health. So अगर आप लोग बहुत busy हो अपने लाइफ में, I am taking my time out and going to them, so please help me with this. I request everyone to please at least donate 50 rupees from your pocket, which is more than enough for me to take a step forward. And the more you all will support me, the more I will achieve my success, and I will achieve my success because of you. So please keep on supporting me. Thank you very much for staying tuned in this video. Thank you so much. Love you all a lot. Bye bye.